Hey guys, it's Sheena. I'm back in the kitchen today and I am making chili pie. You all have already seen me make chili on videos before, so if you haven't, just go ahead and look for those. I do have them on my channel where I uploaded my chili recipes. The only difference today is that I actually added some green bell peppers. That was the only difference. I am making the topping. It is a basic cornbread recipe. I have a cup of cornmeal mix in here already. Here is the second cup. And yes, it is cornmeal mix. It's got the flour, the baking powder, and the salt. All that already added into with the cornmeal so that you're not having to mix up a bunch of other ingredients. 1 1/3 cup of milk. It's about 300 milliliters of liquid, so about 300 milliliters for those of you in other countries. To the 2 cups, dry cups of the cornmeal mix. It also calls for 1 egg. And I'm going to start that. And then I'll be adding in a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil as well. That's just a real basic. I know a lot of people put honey or sugar, tablespoon of sugar or what have you in their cornbread when they're making it. A lot of people prefer it a little bit sweeter. Since it's going on chili to top my chili today, I don't want to make mine sweet. I want to actually make mine a little bit more savory than sweet. So, just know that this is basically a very, very basic recipe today. The chili, again, like I said, I made earlier today, had canned kidney beans, some ground beef, onions, garlic, bell pepper, and a packet of chili seasoning, and about half a thing of the chili sauce in the jar. So that was what was in there, and if you are one that likes an adult beverage, throw you an adult beverage of the non-wine or non-hard liquor kind. In other words, a beer. Throw you a pint in there. If you're an alcoholic, please do not put that in there. I don't want to tempt you with that. Far be it from me, because I've got friends and people that are alcoholics, and I don't tempt them with anything of that sort. So I never advise them to cook with it. Don't want them to relapse. Vegetable oil, just regular old vegetable oil. Any brand will work. Most types will work. Most types. Now, 1/4 cup, about 100 milliliters. For those of you that are in Canada, UK, Europe, where have you, if you're watching from there, Australia, that's about the equivalent measurement, is about 100 mil. You just want to combine all these things together, and my chili was very thick. Make sure, if you're going to make this kind of thing, have a thick chili. You don't want one that's really super thinned out. It just makes it a heck of a lot easier. The cornbread topping will set up better that way. It really may not set up on some that's very liquidy. I also saved a small bowl of the regular chili for another meal at some later point that I may want to make. Now, this will be baked in a 400 to 450 degree Fahrenheit oven. I'm not good with converting back to Celsius. I could, but I forget exactly how to do it. I would say it's about 175 maybe, somewhere in that ballpark. Like I said, I'm not an expert. I haven't done that in a number of years, all that conversions and stuff. And you just want to get everything kind of mixed in together. And yes, the oil will separate still a little, and it'll come out looking about like this. Now, I'm going to pull my pan of chili over here and show you all what it looks like. This is thick. So, it'll hold up under, with cornbread on top of it. I'm also serving it with a topping of avocado. Yes, I'm putting some avocado. I'm putting some cheddar cheese, sharp cheddar cheese. These are all on the side. And the jalapenos, the avocados, and the cheddar cheese. Those are going to be my side item toppings that, kind of people, well, at least my husband likes 2 out of 3. I like all 3. So, this will sink down in your chili a little bit. Anywho, after this comes out, I will come back at you if I can remember. See y'all later. Bye-bye.